Hello friends, welcome to my channel Anutech. Today we are going to do a PHP program. Here this is the question on which we are going to work. The question is PHP program to calculate salary of employee. Here we have to calculate the salary of employee. We have three inputs. First employee number, then employee name, and third one is basic salary. And from that we have to find gross salary.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel
basic salary
Anutech.
plus 10%
Today we are
of
going
dearness
to learn
allowance
PHP.
for basic salary
We are
plus
going to
12%
do
of
program.
house rent
I will show you the question.
plus 300
PHP
extra
program
payment.
to calculate salary of
In the
employee.
same way, we have to find the
So
last,
this is the program
which is
to
net
calculate
salary,
employee
which
salary.
is equals to gross
In
salary
this we have three
minus
inputs: employee number,
12%
employee name,
PF
and
minus
basic salary.
30% income tax is
And
basic salary
through
is
this we
more
have to
than
find
50,000.
gross
Here we
salary,
have to put a
which will
condition.
equals to basic salary plus 10% of dearness allowance.
So this is our program setup. In this way we are going to make our program. So I am going to show you by executing this. First put employee ID, then employee name, any ID or any name you can give here. Now put the employee salary. First give the employee salary less than 50,000. So I will give 20,000. Submit it. See here basic salary, dearness allowance, house rent, everything is there. Tax amount is 0 because basic salary is less than 50,000. That's why here no tax will apply. Now we will give here more than 50,000 salary. So see, here I am going to put 51,000. Now submit it. See, tax amount is 30% because the basic salary is more than 50,000. So this is our program. So I will use Notepad for as an editor. You can use any other app. So first save it as .php and we will save it in htdocs folder. As you all know that we save our all PHP folder in htdoc. So I will name it salary.php. I have already have salary name file, so I will put it as salary1.php. Now save this. So this is the setup. Now here we will write our code. I have to increase the font size so it will. So now it's visible. So here we will write HTML tag. So first HTML, then head part. We have to take titles. For that we will put head. Now we will write here head under title. Then in title we will put employee salary. Now close the title. So closing tag in HTML is slash. So slash title. Enter. Now we will close the head also. Head is closed. Now we will close the HTML tag also. Here. Now we will start the body part of our HTML source code. So body will start here and close right here. Close right here. All our program, all our designing of form, all PHP code will be written between body. So start here. First we give the heading to our form. So heading is H1 and we will put salary. Close H1. So this will be our form heading. Now save it and run it. For running it, we'll take new tab and write localhost / our folder name, which my folder name is cwphp, and enter. Now find your folder file. So my file is salary1.php. Select this. See, my program is run properly. I had only written salary in heading, so this is here. Executing properly. Now next we have to create a form, and this all designing part we will do later, coloring of the form, etc. First we do a simple program. So we need a 3 input. First we create form. So form and give the method post. So post method. Now close the form here. Form designing we will do later. Color and cursive, everything we will do later in next video. Now form is created, and in form we need 3 input boxes. So first we will take input box. So we will put it input. Type is equals to first in a number. We will write it in apostrophe comma. Type is equal to number because our first input is for employee ID. This is will be in number. Now name we will put it as blank. Value we will give it during the program execution, so it will also be blank. Now we will give it placeholder. Placeholder will indicate that what we have to put in that particular input box. So we will write it enter imp id, that was enter employee id, imp id. Close the tag. Now save it and run it. See, we had one input box because we had put it one input box here. Now in the same way we need 2 more input box. So copy it, save, paste. Now 2 more input box. So second input box we need for employee name. So text. So type will be text. So its type will be text. So write here text. Name will be blank. Value will be a placeholder will be enter imp name. Now third input we needed for basic salary. Third input we needed for basic salary. So type will be number. We have to give name for this because we needed in coding. So we will give name as salary, and value will be blank here, and placeholder may enter imp b salary, basic salary. B salary means basic salary. A value we put it during the execution. Save it. Now one more thing we needed, that is button, submit button. So for button we will take input, and it is of type submit because it is a button. So type will be equals to submit. We will give name is equals to submit. Name will also be as submit, and value is also equals to submit. Now save it. Save it and run it. So see, we have 3 input box and 1 submit button. In this way we will get our output. Now we have to take it in a proper way. For proper we have to break it. We will put 2 breaks because we needed more space. Now I will copy it and paste it. Last we not needed because it is the last line. Now save it and run it. See, it is as same as our original project. 3 inputs and 1 button. Now our form designing is completed here. All work of form is completed here. Now we have to give a PHP program. So for PHP program we have to come out from form and start our PHP program right from here. So our PHP starting code is less than question mark PHP and ending is question mark greater than PHP. In this we will write our PHP code. Our PHP code will be written on button. If button will be clicks, then all operation will be taken place. For we have to write, for this we have to write if I set dollar dash post will be in capital letter. It is the method which we have given on in the form. It will here in capital letter. If you will write in a small letter, it will give error. And in a square bracket in single quotation we will write submit in a small letter because we had given name submit to input type button. See, submit, name is submit, so we will write it as submit. Now we will see the question that what we want in PHP. So we need first basic salary. So where is the basic salary? What is the basic salary we can say? So for basic salary we will give first variable. So variable name is B salary. We will start from dollar in PHP. All variable name is started from dollar. So dollar B salary is equals to dollar dash post and name of the input box in which we enter our B salary in single quotation. So in single quotation, we will give the name of that input box. So name of the input box is equals to salary. So we will write salary here. Put salary. Salary is written in a small letter. So here we also have to put it in a small letter. So dollar $B salary will be that value which will be put in the input box with the name salary. Now next what we needed. So next basic salary, after we needed 10% of dearness allowance for a basic salary. For that, then for dearness allowance we write the variable D allowance. So D allowance is equals to 10% of basic salary. That means 0.1 multiply B salary, basic salary. So dollar $B salary and semicolon. Now next what we needed? Next we needed 12% house rent on basic salary. So dollar H rent, which means house rent, H rent is equals to 0.12 because it is of 12%. 0.12 multiply B salary. So dollar $B salary semicolon. Next what we needed? Then next we want 300 extra payment. So extra payment we will take dollar E. So we will write dollar E equals to 300, equals to 300. So from that much variable we will find the gross salary. After gross salary we need net salary. So for net salary we need 12% pf. So for that we will write dollar pf, dollar pf equals to 12% into b salary. So 12% b salary, semicolon. Now next what we needed, next what we needed, next we want 30% income tax if salary is more than 50,000. So for that we have to take a condition. So we will write a if condition. So if dollar b salary, if dollar b salary is greater than 50,000, then dollar tax will be equals to 30% of b salary means 0.3 multiply b salary. So dollar b salary we will write it. Now semicolon and the bracket, curly bracket. Else if dollar basic salary is less than 50,000, so else dollar tax will be equals to 0. Now we had taken all the parameters which we needed. Now we have to write the formula to print to show gross salary. So for gross salary we put g salary. So dollar g salary will be equals to dollar b salary plus dollar dearness allowance, d allowance, plus dollar h rent means house rent plus extra salary, so plus dollar e, semicolon, semicolon. Now next we have to find net salary. So to find net salary we will write dollar net salary n salary. So n salary equals to dollar gross salary z salary minus dollar pf minus dollar tax. Now this is our whole program now which we have to save, and now all the parameters are set. Now we have to print this net salary, basic salary, gross salary, everything. So print, we will write echo function. So first we have to print b salary. So for that we write echo basic salary dot the variable name which we have given to basic salary, that is dollar b salary dot, to change the line we will write break, now semicolon. In the same way we will print all other parameter like base, so like d allowance, h rent, e, extra money, pf, gross salary and net salary, everything. So just write it. So see, I had written all echo code for basic salary, dearness allowance, and I had put it the slash equals to 4 rupees. Now save this. $PF. Now save this. You can see the code first properly till net. Now save and run this. Here we have warning, but warning that undefined variable $B salary, but it will not give any problem in our program execution. So we will execute our program, and later I will tell you how to remove this warning. So put employee ID, then any name of employee, and then put first less than 50,000. So I put 30,000. I will put 30,000 salary. Now submit this. See, tax amount is 0 because salary is less than 50,000. After that, we will put the salary more than 50,000. So for that, I will write employee ID, employee name, and 51,000 I will write here. So write 51,000 and submit this. See, I have tax amount 30%, which is 15,300. Now I will tell you how to remove this warning. So this warning is showing that basic salary is not defined. So to define it, just below the starting code of PHP, which is less than question mark PHP, we will declare here the basic salary as 0. So I write $B salary equals to 0 and semicolon. Now save it and run it. See, our warning is deleted. So I hope you like my video, and in next video I will show you the design as a original program. I will let you know the code of that design of original program. Thank you, and watch the next video. For this type of video, please like and subscribe my channels. Subscribe it.